Welcome back to the Daily Grind, ladies and gentlemen. How is it going today? We are here in a one-room install, master bedroom and closet for today's grind. And we are replacing some carpet here in this home for a gentleman that simply wants to get the dirty carpet out and put something new and fresh in so he can sell the home. Let's see what we're getting into. Alrighty, this is a 11 by 5 master closet. We're going to be demoing and installing new carpet in. This is a 13.2 by 15.8 master bedroom. I've already got a couple cuts in it. We're fixing to roll this carpet up and get it outy-bouty. I did check out the tack strip already. I will be leaving it. However, I will reinforce it with some regular staples, just like I always do. We are replacing the pad and the carpet in here. I wondered about the pad, but yes, definitely going to do it because of that. Is why we want to get that out of here. I don't smell it. Surprisingly, I do not smell it in here. But nonetheless, it is in the pad because it's through on the back of the carpet. So let's get this stuff up and let's get this stuff out. Alrighty. We now have this all padded and we replaced tack strip where replaced tack strip was needed. And of course, around the door jambs and such is always, for the most part, always needed. Replace around those jambs and right around in here, around these jambs. And now it is time to go cut some carpet. Outside of just replacing that, like I said, we did go all the way around the edges and secure it down with staples, just like I normally would if I was installing. So, cock-a-doodle-doo, we can get our stretch like we want to now, and we got nice tack strip where nice tack strip is needed. Let's go cut a rug. Okay, so I want to take this opportunity right quick to explain something here. So many people still, I've got numerous videos on this particular kind of carpet, and still so many people have problems seaming this type of carpet. This is the speckled carpet with light, dark, light, dark, light, dark. Let me show you something. When we're having a cross seam, this is going to be dramatic, or it's going to be very important, so that the piece that you add on to your the two pieces that you join, one can be perfect, and then one can be dark, 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 or light, 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 light. Either way, I'm going to show you how to prevent that. You'll have a perfectly matched seam running from one piece through the cross seam into the next piece, okay? All right, so here we go. I got my straight edge here, or my square, fixing to straight edge my seam right here, and I'm gonna make it. See, I got 11 foot and I got a 16 foot room here. So if you can absolutely see these dark light, dark light, dark light in that. See that right there? So what I need to do here, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take and cut. I'm gonna get me a little slit right to the edge of that dark right there, okay? Right there. Then my next piece, I'm gonna cut in the exact same spot and join a white spot right here, right back to this dark. If I accidentally just cut it in random places and I get two darks or two lights together, even on this run right here, then this long 11 foot piece is gonna match up perfect. And as soon as I get to the other part from my cross seam on, the rest of that seam is gonna be either a dark streak or a light streak, where these darks match up with the darks over here, okay? So you have to keep the dark light, dark light, dark light in its correct order when you're cutting for your cross seam, okay? So I'll show you, I'll get it cut and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, I've got both of my pieces cut now. You can see right here, it ain't joined together obviously, but I just wanted to show you this. You can see my, let me get that fiber out of the way there. Once this is right here, see that? Is where it's cut. Now check out my pattern here, okay? Dark, light, dark, light, dark, my cut, light, dark, light, dark, light. So if you can see that, my pattern never misses a beat, even right across my cross seam. Therefore, this piece of my fill piece is going to be matched up to my filled piece, just like the long piece of my fill piece. So there's going to be no deviation from this piece to that piece where I join the two together, because I keep my dark, light, dark, light, dark, light in the proper pattern right there. So that's going to make this go together perfect. Okay, so here we are now fixing to burn this seam together. That's right, burn it. Some people don't like hearing that, but I want to burn this seam. Anyway, check this out. So notice I got my seam tape about 1 inch or so inside of my seam. That way, when this tape comes along here like so, for my long seam, I don't have seam tape sticking on seam tape. See that? It's right, actually right to the edge. There's where that is. I didn't measure that or anything. That's just where I stuck that approximately. Honestly, it could actually go just a little bit further that direction. There we go. Now that's perfect right there. See that? So when I got this piece centered, it's not going to overlap on that one. So I always have seam tape to backing of carpet, not seam tape to seam tape whenever I put these joins together. Cock-a-doodle-doo. And we got this big bad boy done. Check it out, check it out. So my seam is right in here somewhere, and as you can see, or actually as you cannot see, it is beautiful. It works out perfect whenever you do that. Let's see, it was like 5 foot from the end, so it's going to be somewhere right about in there. And yep, from one piece right across the head seam to the next piece, it worked out nice. Anyway, so my man Lucas has been with me like 2 years, a little longer than 2 years, and he's watched me, he's helped me do this and helped me do that, but it's time to get in some real and serious training with this guy, okay? Like I said, it's been 2 years. So I put him in here. This is his first closet he's ever, well, I can't say his first closet he's ever done by himself. Well, we're gonna say this is a room because this is like a 5 by 11 and he used the power stretchers in here. This is the first room he's ever done, start to finish, by himself. He tied it off over here. He knew where to tie it off. Stretched it this way, down in that back wall, stretched it long ways. I would come and check every time before he would start a different direction just to make sure he was doing right. He stretched that way in the corner, then he brought his tail piece around here, stretched the rest of it up at an angle that direction. Then after he tied all of this right here off, he'd come back right here, boom, 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 work the rest of it at an angle that way. Let's check and see how tight it is. Did he get it stretched good? Oh yeah, check that out. Major resistance. Major resistance, that's good. Good, 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 good. Proud of my man, Mickey McKinney. Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. Anyway, I did a little video there. I don't know if I'll put it in today's daily grind or not, or if I'll just do a regular video by itself. I probably will. I'll probably do the install of this room completely by itself because it really wasn't the daily grind. had a little bit of teaching going on there about the scenes and stuff like that. And then on the actual installation, I did a little something different there. I was wanting to see if us old dogs of the industry could still hang with the young pups. And I don't know. From my young self to now, no, I cannot. To some of the young pups now, I don't know, maybe. I don't know how fast they're working. I'm not them. I know when I was in my 20s, I was doing rooms like this, and for maybe 5 minutes. I think it was like 16 minutes and something for this 14 by 16 room. And I had working to hardwood right there and working Z-bar right there. I would latex my gully and, just everything to do the job proper. Good stretches and all that good stuff, kicking back, blah, 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 and all of that. So, no, I cannot hang with the young pups. I cannot hang with myself, young pup. Again, today's young pups, maybe, I don't know. I would like to see some videos of you guys doing that. Just to see where us OGs are when it comes to speed these days. Let's see some of you young guys do some videos. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Thank you guys for tuning in to the Daily Grind. Until tomorrow, FBSB's out.